Parents, summer is an important time for students to keep reading and improve their language skills. Numerous studies indicate that students who don't read or read infrequently during the summer vacation see their reading ability stagnate or decline. But at Pilot Point Elementary, students will be surfing amazing books for new and exciting information and adventures. We'd like to introduce to you the Pilot Point Elementary 2020 Summer Reading Challenge. The challenge is to read 30 minutes a day for 30 days during the summer. You can create your own log or use one that you can find on the website. You simply record the date, the title of the book, and the number of minutes read. Make sure there are 30 days and at least 30 minutes. When your student comes back to school on the first day of school, they can turn the reading log in to their teacher for a prize from the office and recognition over the intercom. So this is going to be an exciting and fun summer reading challenge for our students. Let's check out a couple of links that you might be interested in. This is the Barnes & Noble Reading Journal. It lists simple steps to follow for grades 1 through 6. This is a link for Reading is for Everyone. These are free resources for remote learning. Link to Scholastic Reading, which begins May 4th, with information that you can download and learn exactly what the Scholastic home base is all about. And the Epic Monthly Activity Calendar can be lots of fun for your students, for your children. As you can see, each day of the week there gives an activity that they could do. This would be fun to share on Seesaw with myself or someone, your student's teacher from last year, or with friends and family. So we look forward to seeing your reading logs at the beginning of the school year. So happy reading, and be sure to share your adventures and all the information that you've learned from all your reading. Have a great summer, Pilot Point Elementary.